is the AHS central comb machine. This AHS central comb machine is mainly for making nylon zipper center comb. There's 4 heads here, and there's another 4 heads in another side. This is the yarn shaft, yarn frame. As we can see from the yarn frame, and this machine is making for number 8 nylon center comb by now. I just want to show you how to run this machine. This is the factory's own machine, not for your machine. From here, from the yarn frame, there's 12 pieces single yarns from here, and there's another 12 pieces single yarn from here, and then there are 2 rows of yarns, and then there are another 3 yarns come from here. So 3 yarns, and add this is 2 row yarns, 24. This is the 3. Total is 27. And for this 27 yarns come from here onto this AHS central comb machine. The yarns will come from here, and here will be twisted a little bit, as we can see it. It's like this. And then come down into here. This is the bit bobbing for winding. After winding the full bit bobbing center comb, we will send the big bobbing center comb to another small bobbing winding machine. From this machine downside, this is the bit bobbing from the AHS center comb machine, and we will put this small wooden bobbing onto the winding machine. And then after making the wooden bobbing machine, you can see it's running like this. This is the bit bobbing center comb from the AHS center comb machine, and then we will divide it into the small bobbing. After making the small bobbing center comb, we will put in the carton, and then we can put this wooden bobbing center comb onto the nylon zipper forming machine to make the nylon zipper. Thank you.